Here I have Motorola G41, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files from the internal storage to the SD card on this device. So firstly you have to open the Files application. You can share downloads, images, videos, audio, documents, and also apps. So let's transfer, for example, an image, this one. So here you have to select this image, tap here, then select if you want to move it or you want to copy that. Let's copy it and then confirm it to copy to the SD card. And after that, this image will be copied to the SD card, and I'm going to show you that. Go to the SD card, then to the download folder, and here you can find this image. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.